Commercial mopping robot in villa. This commercial mopping robot actually consists of an intelligent base station and a cleaning robot. Just use the app to plan the cleaning area, set the cleaning task, and it can automatically start cleaning. This commercial mopping robot can enter under 20 cm high tables and stools for cleaning, and automatically avoid obstacles such as table corners and stool legs. Equipped with polymer-absorbent sponge rollers, both dry and wet stains can be removed. Dual-side brushes for quick litter removal. With anti-drop function, it can automatically identify the steps and the ground where there is a fall to prevent falling. 3 cm along the wall for cleaning, collision-proof and fully cover the cleaning area. The bottom of the mopping robot has a built-in 16-watt disinfection UV lamp, which can disinfect and sterilize the ground. Using self-cleaning technology, it is self-cleaning every second, and it can achieve 60 times of self-cleaning per minute. Equipped with LiDAR sensor, high-precision navigation and positioning, automatic obstacle avoidance, stable operation, automatically plan cleaning paths, built-in lithium battery, 2 hours long battery life. 100 square meters can be cleaned per hour. After the cleaning task is over, it will automatically return to the base station. One-stop intelligent base station realizes automatic water change, automatic dust collection and automatic charging. No manual operation, completely free hands.